Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. For Sony, this is their usual calling card. They announced their flagship product, in this case the XZ2, and alongside that we have this one here in the XZ2 Compact. So the first thing that really stood out for me about this phone is its smaller size. It's easier to handle than the standard XZ2, and on top of that, it's just nice that you don't have to stretch your fingers a whole lot to capture all corners of the display. From the front, the design language looks exactly like its sibling, but when you turn it around, I'm kind of disappointed by how things turned out. Gone is that glass cover. It's replaced instead by this polycarbonate covering, and it just doesn't have that same appeal when you look at it. It looks kind of dull and flat in my opinion. Another key thing to note about the Compact's design here is that it won't have the same dynamic vibration or Qi wireless charging that we see in the standard XZ2. Secondly, the thing that stands out for me here is the display. It features a 5-inch Full HD display that's HDR ready and also features an 18:9 screen aspect ratio. Of course, they follow that trend in making a phone that's all screen with a little bit of bezel around the top and bottom. But beyond that, it looks pretty sharp. I didn't have any issues as far as reading small, tiny text. Colors seem to pop with their vibrance, and even with its brightness output, it seems sufficient. It's also nice knowing that for a compact model, you don't see too much of a downgrade with the specs. That's because it features the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor under the hood, so it leverages the latest and greatest chipset just like its flagship sibling. It performed pretty smooth in my short time using it. It's running pre-production software. You have Sony's interface running on top of Android 8.0 Oreo, and it's a clean looking interface with these circular size icons. And the last thing I'm going to mention here is the camera. Now, I didn't get a chance to snap photos because it was running pre-production software, but the hardware itself is very impressive. It's packing a 19 megapixel camera, which by itself is a crazy number when you compare it to some other phones out there. But more importantly, it has the ability to shoot 4K HDR video. And that's something you're not going to find on other phones. With 4K HDR video recording, now when you shoot video, it's going to offer broader dynamic range. Sony has already impressed us with its other phones because they could shoot video at 960 frames per second for incredibly slow motion footage. But what's new and different here with the XZ2 Compact is that yes, it is still at 960 frames per second, but they bumped up the resolution. It's now at Full HD 1080p, no longer 720p. And finally, we're told that this phone is being tested by Verizon, so it might make an appearance stateside. And that's somewhat important because we don't see too many Sony Xperia phones released stateside anymore. Beyond that, we don't have a definitive release date or pricing for this phone, but obviously we should hear more about that very soon. So if you guys want to learn more about the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.